Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming you can receive SMS or calls on the new number. This matters for verification. Once done, open Facebook, app or desktop, and navigate to Settings. Go to Personal Information and then Contact Info. This path ensures you modify the correct field. You're starting the change now to avoid being locked out. Make sure you have your password handy. If you use a password manager, copy it first so you don't interrupt the process. Now add the new phone number and select SMS or call verification. SMS is faster, call works if messages fail. You'll receive a code within seconds. Enter it into the verification box and click Confirm so Facebook links the number to your account. Once confirmed, make sure you set the new number as primary if you want it used for recovery and two-factor prompts. If you plan to remove the old number, wait until confirmation completes. To avoid losing access, finish by setting the new number as your primary contact and review two-factor authentication and recovery settings so Facebook uses it for security alerts. You can remove the old number or leave it as backup if you still control it. If you hit problems, no code received or error messages, first retry sending the code, check network and format, plus country code, then try call verification. If that fails, use trusted contacts or Facebook's account recovery steps. Keep calm and proceed step by step.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.